Hello and welcome to the St. Petersburg area, home of Gimeco's agri-soft gas plant. When you think about galvanizing a wide array of materials, this is the ideal plant design for you. With a very open and spacious and rational layout, this plant allows you to handle a great deal of different materials and to keep track of them every step of the way. Let's take a look at the features of the plant.
The plant layout offers lots of space and a simple but powerful internal flow. Space is a key element when the customer has a desire for flexibility and high production capability. That is why this layout is so straightforward and clean. It starts with an extensive truck bay. Here, especially in the worst weather, materials can be received or loaded away from rain or snow. Products are then taken to the two bays that are entirely dedicated to racking and unracking procedures. And that is where our new plant automation and tracking software, Hermes, comes into play. Hermes is structured to support the typical materials handling tasks, while also collecting data on process parameters and the consumption of chemicals. Easy-to-use labels are instantly printed, and everything can continue to flow. Remote access is a great tool to see what is going on even without being at the plant.
Программное обеспечение по управлению производством позволяет контролировать все этапы производства, в том числе удаленно. Основное наше предприятие находится в Калужской области, почти 1000 километров отсюда, и наши технологи могут контролировать весь производственный процесс. Именно поэтому мы и выбрали мощный программный продукт.
The software follows every step of what happens in the plant, switching to automatic racks control from the pickling stages to the doors of the galvanizing kettle.
What happens inside an enclosed pre-treatment tunnel like this is that you have 100% fume capture, but most of all, the automatic handling of every single step in this part of the process allows perfect dripping and great timing, so that every variable can be tracked, monitored and repeated.
Охрана окружающей среды сегодня становится все более и более актуальной, поэтому, естественно, для нас это очень важно. Российское законодательство в последнее время изменилось в ужесточение норм по охране окружающей среды. Ну, естественно, этот аспект очень важен.
From the 5-steps dryer, racks are continuously fed to the galvanizing kettle, maximizing furnace throughput.
Racks are continuously picked up by this monorail system and fed to the galvanizing kettle. After a rack has been galvanized, the empty hoist come back along this route to pick up the next one, just like this.
However, the furnace plays a role too. Here, we have the latest generation of dual-chamber furnace, a concept strongly based on controlling heat input in the upper and lower chambers, to allow a temperature gradient of up to 7 degrees Celsius in the molten zinc bath.
Ну, прежде всего, следующие аспекты, которые нас наиболее удовлетворяют: высокая производительность данного оборудования, автоматизация, прослеживаемость всех технологических процессов, возможность контроля. Это то, почему мы выбрали это оборудование.
Space, efficiency, flexibility. These are the features that make this plant the state-of-the-art general jobbing galvanizing plant of the 21st century. When completed with the software suite for plant management, this becomes a perfect tool for the galvanizer that wants to have great efficiency and still a lot of room for growth.